What's up, YouTube? In this video I'm going to try to clear out a little bit of this mulch and spread it out over the top of everything. It's been laying here since the wood chips have come down and some of the trees have come down on the property, and I want to get it cleaned up because quite frankly I'm tired of looking at it. So I'm going to use my tractor today. It's a John Deere 1025R, and I'm going to just use the bucket loader to again push all this stuff back. So hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.
If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel, as I do try to make a lot of these videos about the John Deere. Thanks for watching. Something you should know: as you back up, you should be feathering up slightly on the bucket. This will allow the mulch to go out from underneath and spread evenly. So you might be wondering why I have my outrigger out. It's just because the ground was unlevel and I didn't really want to roll over. Although, looking at the video, I don't have my rollover protection, so that could have also been a help.
Okay, what's up, YouTube? I just took a little break there. As you can see, I got quite a bit of this mountain down, so it hopefully looks pretty good. And what I'm going to try to do is get this chicken coop moved over and ultimately get moved behind the garden here and get that cleaned up a little bit. So here we go. Thanks.
glad you took the time to watch the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Make some comments below on some future videos you'd like to see. And also, it'd be great to hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to build up my subscription, so I thank you in advance. Thanks for watching.